Thank you. Are you fine? Good. Now, today I am going to explain about the diagram is graph of quadratic equation. How we can draw the diagram, how we can draw the figure about quadratic equation. Clear? As you know, in previous class means in class 9th and class 10, so many graph you have drawn about the linear equation. But here we have to draw quadratic equation. Then, if any quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Clear? Already I have told you it has two root. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 here, and so many conditions case here. Case first. Here, case first. Case first means what? If a is a positive. Positive means that is a is more than 0. Clear? Or b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Clear? It means if any quadratic equation is given, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and case first, there are three cases. First case, if a is a positive, that is a is more than 0, or b square minus 4ac is more than 0. Clear? Then here, how we can draw the diagram here? I am going to give condition here. X, O. Clear? Suppose here O, here A, here B. Clear? O and B are given, and L and L. Understood? If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, case 1, if a is a positive, that is a is more than 0, or b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then how we can draw the graph with the help of this diagram? Then if a is the positive, means this vertex is the downside. Here, then O, A and B, and here real roots are OA and OB. Clear? Roots means value. We will get two values, OA and OB. Clear? OA and OB. And minimum value is equal to what? Minimum value, how we can find? LM is equal to what? 4ac minus b square upon 4a. Clear? Understood? And at x is equal to what? OL. X is equal to OL. OL means what? Minus b upon here 2a. Understood? Very simple. This is condition. With the help of these conditions, we can draw the graph here. O, x here along y-axis here. O, A and OB, both are the roots. It means when we will solve the quadratic equation, we will get two roots, alpha and beta. Suppose here O is the alpha and OB is the beta. It is clear? Good. And LM is the minimum value. Minimum is downside here, negative value will come here. LM is the minimum value, that is 4ac minus b square upon 4a. And at x is equal to OL. Means here is the point on the x-axis, that is OL, and here OL is equal to what? Minus b upon 2a. Any doubt? Very good. Second case means case here second. Here if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then what? Therefore roots are real, clear, and equal, real and equal, real and equal. In this condition, diagram is only very simple, like this one here O, and here L, X, and here Y. Any problem? Very simple. Means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. That is O L. L means this vertex touch the x-axis. Very simple. Any doubt? No. Good. Third means case 3. If b square minus 4ac less than 0. Means what? Negative. Negative. Clear? Negative sign here. Then how we can draw the diagram here? Very simple here. Like this. Here. About this one we will make here O, L, and M. Like this. This is X here and this is Y. Any problem? With the help of this value, with the help of this diagram, we can solve so many quadratic equations. Any doubt? Once more I am going to explain here. Case second, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal, it means like this type graph here. And if case third, if b square minus 4ac less than 0 means negative value above the x-axis. This vertex above the x-axis, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This vertex at the x-axis and b square minus 4ac more than 0, and this vertex is down, means below the x-axis. Okay? I am going to give the example. With the example I am going to explain. Clear? Now say this example number 1. And if you understand, means you can do one example based on quadratic equation, how we can draw the diagram, then simply you can do all the remaining question, because all the question in the form of either A is positive value or A is negative value. After that I will tell what is the rule of A is less than. Clear? Then here, and negative means what? Negative means if A is a negative value, negative, here, that is A is less than 0. Understood? Means b square minus 4ac less than 0. Very simple here, like this one here. Understood? And here O, A, B, and here M and here. Clear? X here. And if second condition what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Just opposite this value. X here. Then what? Very simple. Like this one here. O and here L. Last one, third one what? X here. Y here. Then here like this one. And here L, M, and O. Clear? Very simple. This is means reciprocal of this value is negative sign and this is in the positive sign. Any doubt? Good. This is negative value for here. I am going to solve one question here. Now comparing this question with ax square plus bx plus c. Clear? Suppose y here. A is equal to what? 1. B is equal to what? 1. C is equal to what? Minus 6. Clear? Now we have to find first of all what? Real roots. Real means for real roots y is equal to 0, that is x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Clear? Now here x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 3 minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0. And x is equal to 2 and minus 3. Now this is a roots, means here. Then real roots, that is OA is and OB are what? 2 and minus 3. One is plus 2, other is minus 3. After that, what we have to find? Minimum value, that is LM. And minimum value, that is LM is equal to what? 4AC minus B square upon what? 4A. 4A is equal to what? 1. C is equal to what? Minus 6. B is equal to what? 1 square. Whole upon what? 4 into 1. Means 24 minus 1 by this is equal to what? 25 by 4. Clear? After that, minus 6.25. Because 4, 6 are 24. 4 2 is 8, 5 20. Clear? Last one, we have to find add x means OL. Add x is equal to OL means minus B upon 2A, that is minus B means what? 1. A means what? Means minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 0.5. Any doubt? No? Very good. I am going to draw a diagram here with the help of this one. Once I am going to explain here. This is question here. Good. Y is equal to x square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic equation. We will compare given equations to this value. We will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 6. Clear? For real roots, y is equal to 0, that is x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And we will factorize. Then x plus 3 minus 2, and here x plus 3 here minus plus, and x plus 3 x minus 2, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to plus 2. Is it clear? Good. And minimum value, that is LM is equal to 4AC minus B square upon 4A. 4A is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 6 and B is equal to 1 upon 4 into A. Now minus 6.25 and x is equal to L is equal to minus B upon 2A is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 0.5. Clear? Now I am going to draw the graph here, diagram here. And x, y. Here x dash, here y dash, here 2. Clear? Now minus 6.25 here. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Clear? 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, 4, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Any doubt? You can make on the graph paper or you can make in the simple paper, because it is not compulsory. You can draw this diagram on the graph paper. You can take simple paper. Clear? Plain paper. Now here, what is the roots? X is equal to 2 and minus 3. 2 and minus 3 means this value come this side. Clear? Means curve passing through minus 3 and plus 2. Good. A and B. Now suppose this is A and this is B. Clear? Now what is OL? You say OL. 0 minus 0.5. OL is equal to what? Minus 0.5. Means here. Clear? Now this is OL means L. Now this is O here. Clear? And LM is equal to minus 6.25. Minus 6.25. Clear? Downside. Minus 6.25 means 6.25 means like this. It means clear? And this graph comes this side. Clear? Now how we can draw above the x-axis? Clear? If you have confusion, you can take here the value of x-axis and y-axis. Clear? The value of x-axis and y-axis. Clear? Now we can take by yourself 3, 2, 1, 0. Clear? And we can take some negative value. Some negative means what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Depend on you here. If x is equal to 3, we can put here x is equal to 3 is equal to y is equal to what? X is equal to 3, 3, 3 are 9, and y is equal to 6 here. We can take here 3 square plus 3 minus 6, 9 plus 3 minus 6, 9 minus 3, 6. Clear? X is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 minus 6 means here 0. X is equal to 1, 1 square plus 1 minus 6 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 4 and minus 4. Clear? Minus 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 1 means what? Y is equal to minus 6. Clear? X is equal to minus 1 means plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Once more here 1 and minus 1 minus 6, 1 minus 1 minus 6, cancel minus 6, then minus 6. X is equal to minus 2, minus 2 minus 6, 4 minus 2 minus 6 is equal to what? 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 4 and minus 4. Clear? X is equal to minus 3, 9 minus 3 minus 6, 9 means what? 0. And last value x is equal to minus 4, minus 4 minus 16 minus 10 is equal to what? Plus 6. Clear? Where we will take this value, so many value, we can get so many other formula. Clear? Other means 6, 0, minus 4 like this one. Now this value plot on this one. X is equal to plus 3, y is equal to 6. Plus 3, y is equal to 6 like this one here. Understood? X is equal to y is equal to 0. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 means x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 1 means what? Y is equal to minus 6. Clear? Is on this point here. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 4. You see the last value, x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 6. Means we have to complete the diagram here. Then very simple here, and this and this here. Now this is completely diagram. This is completely diagram here, and like this diagram we will make. Clear? and clear. Now this is completely diagram of y is equal to x square plus x minus 6. Clear? So with the help of this cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, we can draw so many questions, so many quadratic questions with the help of this calculation. And when you will draw in the copy, you can do the neat and clean. Understood? Now see the homework. Homework is very, very important. And as you know, after completing the questions at last, I was giving so many questions, and here I am giving also so many questions. Means question number 1 and question number 2. Because in this question you have to do only limit question, because you have to know about the what is the rule, how we can draw the quadratic question diagram. Understood? Then y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. 0 is less than equal to x is less equal to 5, and y is equal to minus x square plus 3x plus 2. This is question number 1 and this is question number 2. Please, I request you will complete your homework question, and when you will start the doing the graph, please you have to follow, you have to see these cases. Case number 1, case number 2, case number 3. This is possible for if A is the positive. If A is the negative value, just you make opposite here. Opposite means like this one here, like this one. Clear? Understood? Then here O here, A here, B, X here, and here L here, here. This is applicable for negative value, means A is negative. This is applicable for A is positive. Understood? Thank you very much.